Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. Honorable Supervisor Mr. Hadiansa MPD, Honorable Supporting Lecturer Mrs. Asrianti Masud SSA MPD. Introduce myself. My name is Zahranis Alfitri, with student ID number 12320600064. Today, I would like to present my seminar proposal entitled "The Effect of the Experiential Learning Model Integrated with SDGs 3 Good Health and Well-being Critical Thinking Skills in the Reproductive System." Research question starting with the domain of the 21st century, that is critical thinking. Students are required to think critically in order to analyze and solve problems, but student critical thinking skills in Indonesia are relatively low. According to Landry et al., of students fall into the low category. This situation is made worse by the reproductive system topic is abstract in nature. And integration of SDGs 3, good health and well-being, is related to adult science reproductive health, which is closely connected to students' daily life. And the solution is the experiential learning model. Incorporating SDGs 3, good health and well-being, is used as the learning approach. For research question, according to the background, firstly, how is the implementation of the experiential learning model incorporating the SDGs 3 issues of good health and well-being carried out to enhance student critical thinking skill? Secondly, how does the experiential learning model incorporating the SDGs 3 issues of good health and well-being? And then how do the critical thinking skills of students who are taught using the experiential learning model incorporating the SDGs 3 and of students in the control class? And last, what are students' references to the implementation of the experiential learning model incorporating the SDGs 3 good health and well-being? Research objectives. Firstly, to describe the implementation of the experiential learning model, and then to analyze the effect of the experiential learning model, and to compare the critical thinking skills of students taught using the experiential learning model and control class, and last to obtain information regarding students' response to the implementation of the critical learning model. Research benefits. For theoretical benefits, this research is expected to contribute to the field of biology education, and practical benefits for students. This research is expected to help develop their critical thinking skills. For teachers, the results of this study are expected to serve as a reference in selecting more appropriate learning models. And for future research, this study is expected to become a reference for those who which wish to investigate the same topic. A research hypothesis. uh, Theoretical hypothesis. According to Kolb, the experiential learning model enables students to acquire knowledge through direct experience, reflective observation, and abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. And then statistical hypothesis. Uh, Hypothesis 0, there is no significant, and hypothesis 1, there is a significant effect of the experiential learning model incorporating the SDGs 3 of good health and well-being on studies critical thinking skills in the reproductive system topic. Uh, for conceptual framework, beginning for analysis CP, analyze the structure, function, and process of the human reproductive. and problem critical thinking skills of students in the reproduction topic are still low. Uh, for solution, application of the experiential learning model incorporating SD history could help being. And for treatment, experimental class, experiential learning model incorporating SD history could help being, and control class, conventional learning. And then measurement, critical thinking skills, interpretation, analysis, evaluation, inference, explanation, and results. There is an effect of the experiential learning model incorporating SDG could help being on student critical thinking skill in the reproductive system topic. And previous studies, previous research indicates the experiential learning model can enhance students' critical thinking skills. However, a research gap to that no previous study has specifically integrated the experiential learning model with SDGs good health and well-being to develop senior high school student critical skill in the reproductive system topic. For research method, quantitative approach, and quasi-experimental method, and non-equivalent control group design. For group experimental, make treatment experiential learning, and control group, make treatment conventional learning. Population research instrument and data collection techniques. Population and sample, population grade high school students and grade 12 sampling technique for passive sampling and sample size, uh, 55 students, and then the instrument written test, observation sets, make checklist for the implementation of experiential learning syntax, and then questionnaire, make a Likert skull, data collection technique, written test, and observation during the learning process, and questionnaire after learning. Data analysis and research procedure, data analysis technique, normality test, Shapiro-Wilk, and then homogeneity test, Levin test, hypothesis test, independent stability test, and gain test to measure the improvement of critical thinking skills, observation data, categories, and then questionnaire data analysis using Likert scale. Therefore, research procedure beginning with the preparation stage, followed by the research implementation, data collection, and conclusion drawing. Maybe enough for my presentation. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.